This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 29G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, refrigerator, TV, oven, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, awning, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 29G is 9,278 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.